Good morning, guys. It is 5:38 in the morning. I'm about to get in my Uber to go to the airport because I'm going to Tulum. I'm so excited. My friends and I have been planning this trip for so long. It's Ingrid's birthday on Friday. We're all vaccinated. It's gonna be like such a fun trip, and I wanted to vlog because I know Tulum's like a very popular vacation spot right now. So if you and your friends are planning a post-vaccine trip to there as well, I'll give you guys the full itinerary. So yeah, I have to go get in my Uber. My flight's at like 8:20 a.m. I'm meeting my friends at the airport, so let's go. Arrived. Let's do a house tour. Hi. What's so hot right here? This is our room. Little bathroom.
Except you guys have the view. We have like the bathroom. Okay.
Like in the bottle. Yo, you two are like, you guys need to open somewhere and I want to come.
I know, but I'm saying like they're just
This
like
is like
chilling.
Yeah.
Hollywood for with it.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Get us the hairless.
It looks a lot fancier than just water.
I know,
Yeah,
right?
right?
Yeah, we're like doing this over
Oh
water
wait,
right
do it on
now.
hers. I want to record.
The little sun hitting on it is very aesthetic, right?
I'm gonna put habanero one. What's the tropical?
I literally forgot what was on my own burger.
Look what I mean, to stay hydrated.
This is what you brought, right?
I put it in this bowl.
Wait, that's so cute. Honestly, very smart.
Everything's got some.
Very smart. Hello, we're in Tulum. We're in Tulum. It's night one. Night one. Out of 4? Yeah. Yes. 4 nights. That took me way too long. Cheers. Happy birthday, Ingrid.
The juice.
Why are you playing that?
That is huge.
I know.
was like, oh my god,
Good morning, guys. It is Friday. It's our first full day in Tulum, and I haven't like talked to you guys at all. I've just been like taking random clips for the vlog, but yesterday we like hung out at the house, we explored Tulum like town a little bit, and then we went to dinner, and now it's Friday and we're going on a boat. I'm wearing this bikini from Frankie's, this little cover up I thrifted. I have all my sunscreen on. The shuttle picks us up from our house, and then we have the boat for 3 hours, so I'm not gonna bring my camera for obvious reasons. Wouldn't want it to go overboard, but I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit on my phone.
Abajo, al centro. Happy birthday.
We are heading to dinner. Tonight's outfit is from the Beginning Boutique, I think. And I'm excited. We're going to Tantra. Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday. I feel like I haven't really been talking in this vlog at all. I've just been like showing you everything. But just to like recap, yesterday we went on the boat. It was fun. I did get a little seasick. A few of us did. The boat was very rocky. I always get really bad motion sickness. I even took medicine before and I still like, my stomach was unwell, but it was still fun. And then we came back to the house, relaxed a little, and then we went to dinner at Tantra, which was so cool. It was like on the beach. There was like a pool by us. The vibes were great. The food was really good. Ingrid and I just like split a bunch of appetizers. We got like crab cakes, this like brie cheese pastry thing that was amazing. That's been my favorite place we've been to so far, so if you're coming to Tulum, definitely go to Tantra. But today is Saturday. We got breakfast at this little cafe like down the street from us. Now we're heading to the cenotes, which I'm really excited for. Mexico is very famous for the cenotes, which are like caves with little like, you can swim and stuff. I'm wearing this bikini from Tiger Mist, some denim shorts, very casual. My skin's been breaking out. I think the water here, like from showering and washing my face, has not been well for my skin because the water's like not clean here. Yeah, it's so hot. But I'm excited to go swimming, so I will vlog on my phone when we get there. I feel like I need some carbs right now. Hey vlog. What's today? Today is Sunday. I haven't talked to you guys since yesterday. What did we do? We went to Bagatelle. Oh, I told them we were going to the cenote. It was a little disappointing.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't really a cenote, the place we went. It was like a restaurant with a little pool.
Pond. Yeah.
So we went across the street to Bagatelle and the vibes were great there. It was like beach club, but you could just chill and like get drinks. There was a pool and we just like great music. Highly recommend going there if you go to Tulum. And then we went to Papaya Playa Project. And it was very interesting. It was really fun actually, but I couldn't film anything because we had to check our phones in as soon as we got there, which was interesting. So we didn't have our phones the whole night. We didn't even know what time it was or where we were or anything. And it felt like a festival more than a club. Like it was like you had wristbands and you paid for your drinks with your wristband, and then there was like a DJ and you were like on the beach. It was very interesting, but I would recommend going there, right?
It was a good experience.
Yeah.
It's called the Moonlight Party, I think.
Yeah.
Something like that.
On Saturdays is the best day for it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that as well.
Oh, they had like little markets too.
Yeah, with
eat,
food.
like, outside.
We got like, I got a vegan burger and then I got an empanada. And there were like tacos and stuff.
Oh, their tacos were good. They were tiny, but they were really good.
Yeah, so now it is Sunday and we're going to Taboo, which is another beach club. So I feel like it'll be similar vibes to Bagatelle, just like drinks and pool and beach, and it's gonna be fun. Gotta put on sunscreen though.
With one of the bottlenecks. His name is Thomas, and our goal is to get him to pour a shot for her. And we're gonna make it happen. That's all that's important. That's gonna be the next clip.
Hi guys, it's our last night in Tulum. Today we went to Taboo and it was so much fun. I've decided the beach clubs are my favorite places here. Like, they're just great vibes. You can get like drinks and food, but you're on the beach. There's good music. It was just so much fun. But now we just got ready and we're going to dinner at Rosa Negra. I'm wearing this little dress from Princess Polly. A lot of us are wearing all white. We were trying to plan like everyone doing an all white night for our last night at dinner, but I don't think everyone brought everything. So like 80% of us are wearing all white. So I'm excited. I'm sad that we're leaving tomorrow, but gonna enjoy this last night. All white night. Hey. All white night. Hey.